Good morning, my Facebook and YouTube family. This is Gary Corn. I'm back with another video, another vlog. I still feel a little sick, I feel a little stopped up, but I feel a little better. But as y'all can tell, it's raining. Yeah, guys, it's raining today on this rainy Thursday. But we're about to have fun. We're about to have fun in the rain. Right now, I'm heading to a friend's house to pick her up and take her to school. Yeah, guys, I'm picking her up and taking her to school. We're on our way to Central High School. It's like going towards in the downtown area. So we'll be going down there this morning. But first, I gotta stop at the gas station to get some gas. And after that, when I leave the gas station, I'll be heading to her house. Like, her house is like right around the corner from the gas station. So it ain't too far from her. Stuff like that. But I already got her address in Sarah GPS, Google Maps. I already got her address in that. And Sarah gonna tell me where she stay. Alright? Okay. But it's raining hard, guys. I mean hard, y'all. It's raining hard. Like stupid hard. They say it's supposed to be raining all day today. That's a good thing, because Junior get a free wash. Well, he already get a free wash anyway. But since he ain't take no bath yesterday, he getting it all day today. So yeah, he's getting it all day today. So it's supposed to be raining. Then after 3 o'clock, the rain supposed to stop. So yeah, it's supposed to be raining all day. So guys, really? This is all I got planned for right now. So, no further ado, guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Like I'm about to enjoy making today's vlog. And also, guys, I want y'all to sit back, relax, and enjoy today's vlog. And also, I do want to bring y'all with me on today's journey, because people, we about to have fun in the rain. So, no further ado, people. Let's go ahead and get this vlog started. Guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed that road footage of me coming down here to Central High School. We made it down here, people. I just dropped her off. And guys, it's still raining, but it's a big ass school. I ain't gonna lie, this is one big ass school. But we're about to make our way back to the house. About to make our way back to the house. And wait for these people to come on, cause I ain't trying to be here for them. I'm not. I ain't trying to be here for them. So, that's how you do that. That's how you do that. So guys, I'm about to make my way back to the house and wake my brother up and and tell him to get up so he can get ready and go to school so I can drop him off at the schoolhouse. But I ain't gonna lie though, y'all, it was a nice drive. I ain't gonna lie, it was a nice drive coming down here. Even though the rain is still going on, but still, the rain ain't gonna stop us. We still gotta have fun in this rain, guys. We still about to have fun in this rain. Okay? Alright. So like I said, about to make my way back to the house, pick him up, tell him to get up and get ready so he can go to school. And after that, I ain't got nothing else to do. Okay? I ain't got nothing else to do. So guys, I guess I'm gonna have to catch back with y'all later because y'all don't want to see this. Y'all don't want to see this road footage again of me going back to the house because y'all already seen the road footage of me coming down here. So I ain't gonna let y'all see this no more. Okay, I ain't gonna let y'all see this no more. So I guess I'm gonna have to catch back with y'all later and let y'all know what happened next. Or I might catch back with y'all when I'm on my way to go get me something to eat, probably around 11 o'clock. Because you know, around 11 o'clock I get hungry. Yes, y'all, I get hungry around 11 o'clock. So I guess I'll catch back with y'all later to let y'all know what happened next. Alright guys, I'm back. Right now I'm heading to my sister's job to pick her up. Or pick her up on her break. She's going on break at 11. It's about like 10:50 right now. I'm picking her up on her break. About like 10:50. So gotta pick her up, bring her, I guess, back to the house because she said she gotta change her clothes. So I gotta bring her back to the house and all that good stuff. And also she is giving me some gas money. I'm not doing this for free. She gave me some gas money. So yes guys, I'm trying to be productive today. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be productive, do something. Even though I'm like the only person at the house at the moment. You know, I did. Then I went on and dropped my brother off at school, so he at the schoolhouse. And as y'all can see, the rain stopped. That's a good thing. The rain stopped and everything. Look like the sky is clearing up. Look like it. I thought it was supposed to rain all day. I guess not. I guess not, y'all. I guess not. So y'all already know we're trying to get this show on the road. Keep this vlog moving, you know. Keep this vlog going on. I am getting a little hungry, so I guess after I get done doing what she gotta do, y'all already know I'm going to my favorite spot, Little Caesar on State Line Road. Give me that $5 lunch combo. Yeah. Now the lunch combo is back to $5 now. At first it was $4, but now they back to $5. But I ain't tripping. So yes guys. So head to her job, picking her up. Then after that, when I drop her off back at her job, we'll be heading to State Line Road to go get me something to eat. Okay? Alright. Also guys, y'all get the chance to see her job too, so I'll catch y'all when we reach her job. Here we are. We made it. Made it to her job, y'all. This place is called Horn Lake Learning Center. It's like a daycare. This daycare been up for so long. It's probably been up for like 20 years. Cause it's been like probably 15 years since I've been here. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Really a long time, to be honest. A very long time. Since the last time I've been here. But we made it though. Like I think I went to school from here. Yeah, I went to school from here. Oh yeah, I know y'all see them little daycare buses over there. Them buses new. The bus I used to see, it was like a regular size school bus. Like the big jets. The big school bus. You know what I'm saying? The big school buses. Like them yellow buses, them big yellow buses. But that bus was white and blue just like them over there. Well, that was some big old school buses though. But it's been like probably 15 years since I've been here. Nah, let me quit that lie. Probably been in 6th grade, 5th grade. I want to say 5th grade. It's been like since I was 10. At the time, this daycare used to like take up to 10 years old. I was here since I was a baby. I guess when I reached 10 years old, that was my last time here at this place. But yeah, this place brings back a lot of memories. A lot of memories. Alright? Okay. So since I'm here, y'all, now I'm just waiting on her to come out the building. And after that, we're gonna do what she wanna do. Then after that, I can bring her back and drop her off, and then we'll be heading to State Line Road in Mississippi to get my food, alright? Okay, so until then, guys, I'll catch up with y'all later. Alright, guys. Alrighty. I'm back, y'all. I did drop my sister off at the house. Unfortunately, she ain't gotta be back at her job until 1:30. It's like 11. It's like a little bit after 11 o'clock. So it's like almost 2 hours until she gotta go back to work. That's a long ass break. I ain't gonna lie, that's a long ass break, man. But right now, I'm over here where I used to stay at, off of Richland Drive. Finna get my guy KD, Kendarius, and take him somewhere. Like I said, I ain't doing it for free. He paying me. I ain't doing nothing for free. So I'm about to pick him up right quick and take him to the store. He said he had to go to the store. So I'm about to pick him up and take him to the store. So I'm about to text him and let him know that I'm outside. His house is to the left. Y'all finna see when I'm finna stop. About to pick him up and take him to the store. Then after I get done with him, we'll be heading to Horn Lake. I'll say Horn Lake. We'll be heading to South Haven, Mississippi. Did these people move? Oh my gosh. Did these folks move? Oh my god, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but I'm about to text him and ask him where he is. So I guess I can catch y'all when I get done with him. So I can catch y'all later. Alright guys, I'm just leaving this destination. I just dropped Kendarius off over here, but I'm gonna eventually come back, cause I'm just not gonna leave him out here. I'm gonna end up coming back, but right now I'm gonna head to the car wash. Yes, it's time for Junior to get a wash, y'all. Junior gotta get a bath. I gotta vacuum him out and do all the good stuff that I normally do with him. You know? I ain't gonna lie though, I've been over here before. Yes, I've been over here before. It ain't nothing brand new. I've been here before. It's something different. It's new. What do you call lake? What is it called? Lake something. What is it called? The lake at Ridgeway Apartments homes. It's like some townhouses These ain't no townhouse. These like some apartments. They call the Lake at Ridgeway apartment home. But right now we heading to the car wash. You know, getting Judy cleaned up. I passed it on my way up here. I passed the car wash on my way up here. And it was open. So, about to go do that right fast. Go to the car wash, clean Junior up, and vacuum out, and head back over here to come pick them up. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this car wash footage. Alright, y'all. Right now I'm on Interstate 285 West. I gotta get over. I got to get over. If these people let me over. There's one lane. I gotta get over one more. I gotta get over one more lane. Come on, tow truck. What you gonna do, tow truck? Thank you, tow truck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Had to get over. But right now I'm on Interstate 285 West, heading to Interstate 240 West. I gotta go get my brother up from school. He get out at 3:30. I gotta be there to pick him up. I got to. Cause he don't need me walking home. He don't. I told Ken Darius and Eric that I'd be back to come pick them back up. Because, you know, around this time I gotta pick my brother up, my sister up, really my brother, my mama, and my sister. I'll probably be back out this way probably around 5 o'clock. They can hold tight and wait for you, boy. Cause I told him I'd come back and pick them up. You know what I'm saying? That's what I told him. Yeah, I told him that I'd come back and pick them up. So I hope they stay cool and calm. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not just gonna leave them out there. I'm not. But yeah, then get my brother from school, then get my mama up from work, then head to go get my sister. Then after I drop her off, then I head back out here, come pick them up. So yeah, that's how that finna work. But yeah, guys. So I guess I'll catch y'all when I get to my brother's school, because since I'm gonna be on this highway for a while, I guess I'll catch back with y'all when I reach my brother's school. Alright guys, I made it. I made it to my brother's school. I made it up here. As y'all can see, the rain is about to come back again. For some reason, the rain is about to come again. I'm gonna go up here and pull up to my spot up here in front of these cars. Right here by the curb. My bad, y'all. That was Kendary. He just called. Talking about he ready. I just pulled up, man. I just pulled up at the schoolhouse, man. Shit on this curb. Good. Tell him I just pulled up at the schoolhouse, man. But since I'm gonna be up here for a while, I guess I'll catch up with y'all when I'm on my way back out there to East Memphis to go pick up my guys, Kendarius and Eric. So I'll catch up with y'all on my way back out east. Alright guys, since they got to the ride, I'm heading to my mama's job to go pick her up. The time now is 3:50. She get off at 4. By the time I get there, it'll probably be a little bit after 4 o'clock. But you know, she'll never get off on time anyway. But I was on my way to go pick them up until Kendarius texted me talking about they got them a ride. So I'm like, okay. I'm glad I wasn't on the highway at that time. To be honest, I'm glad I didn't reach the highway at that time. Cause if he would have told me, well, if he would have texted me that message while I was on the highway, then I would have been fucked. Okay, I would have been messed up. But I'm kind of glad that he went on and told me that they got them a ride, so I can pick up my mama on time. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on my way to her job to pick her up. So probably after all that stuff happens, when I gotta get my mama from work and my sister from work, probably after that, I'm gonna come back and, you know, close out today's vlog, okay? Alright, so people, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be closing out today's vlog. So since it's gonna take me a while, guys, I'm gonna have to catch back with y'all later. Well, guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and close out today's vlog because I'm at my mama's job and it seems like I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. I guess I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. So don't tell her how long she's gonna be in this stove. But I'm just about to go ahead and close out today's vlog. Guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed today's vlog like I enjoyed making today's vlog for y'all. And also, guys, y'all already know tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is payday and we're about to have fun again tomorrow. Okay? Alright, don't mind the hair. Don't mind the hair. My chair, my seat sit up so high, my head be touching the ceiling sometimes. But like I said, tomorrow gonna be another good day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, payday. My check will be looking small tomorrow because I only worked one day last week, and that was Monday. So I'm only getting paid for Monday, and it's about like $100 and some. So no telling how tomorrow gonna be. All right, okay. So like I said, I hope that y'all enjoyed today's vlog, like I enjoyed making today's vlog. And also, guys, I appreciate y'all like, comment, do all the good stuff that people do on social media. Y'all do all the good stuff on social media. And also to my YouTube family, do the same thing, but also subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Alright? Okay. Alright. So people, until tomorrow, guys, this your guy Raekwon, and I'm out.